and put it inside and then bang. A lot of people don't know how to use knife. Why there are so many slices of this knife? Can you see that? I've already used this knife for a while. The tip of this knife is not that sharp. I'm gonna show you how can we get a new one. Yeah, of course, this, can you see that? There's some new, but I don't want to use these new slices. I just want to change this tip. This tip is not that sharp enough. All can I do is pull out the last part, the tail of this knife, use the tail of this knife and do this. Let me stand up and show you and put it inside and then bang. This part is sharp enough. Broken part is here. This is how we use it. Can you believe it? So you know there are so many slices. We can break them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. We don't need to buy a new blade every time. All we can do is bang, break the first part of this blade. That's cool, right? If you get it, don't leave. If you get it, don't forget to leave a thumb up.